ECS, protecting what matters most to you. Fire hazards, electrical system issues, and arc flash and safety dangers present a constant risk for any facility that can cause personal injury and loss of business. At ECS, we understand how important it is to keep your building running safely and efficiently 24/7. ECS is a division of Parsons based in Minneapolis, Minnesota. Our highly trained nationwide teams use advanced technology to provide facilities with reliable 24/7 one-source electrical and fire services, delivering increased uptime, safety, and peace of mind. With an ongoing electrical and fire service maintenance program, ECS goes beyond the day-to-day tasks by focusing on predictive and preventative maintenance services. All of this helps to make ECS the most efficient service partner in the industry. We manage, maintain, inspect, and service over 150 million square feet of facilities every year, providing preventative maintenance and inspection services that focus on electrical systems, fire alarm and fire suppression services, as well as arc flash and safety dangers. Or ECS can provide a custom maintenance program designed with your specific facilities management needs. The ECS mission is to maximize safety and uptime, using our proven core processes to provide thorough preventative maintenance, responsive service, and strategic construction initiatives for our electrical and fire projects. For all of your facilities across the nation, we can help you keep them in top condition with efficient maintenance management. Our maintenance programs are known for their success, providing increased uptime, improved safety, and operational efficiencies in all types of facilities. And our experience providing maintenance management service to a variety of customers have prepared us for providing predictive and preventative maintenance that can't be beat. ECS, protect what matters most to you. Contact us today to learn more.